Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show different ways to check the Apple warranty status on your iPhone. So let's watch the video till the end. Let's start with the first method, a quick and straightforward way to check AppleCare and warranty. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on AppleCare and Warranty. Here, you can check the details of your warranty status, whether it's active or expired. An active warranty covers the cost of repairs or replacements for specific issues, while an expired warranty means you need to pay for these services. Let's explore the second convenient way, using the Apple's official support website. For this method, you'll need your iPhone's serial number. Don't worry, it's easy to find on the iPhone's packaging box, the invoice, or the Settings app. Launch the Settings app and tap on the General section. Then, select the About section and find the serial number. Now, visit the Apple's Coverage Check website. The website link is given in the video description. Here, type the serial number of your iPhone. Then, type the code and hit the Submit button. After that, you can see the warranty status of your device. That's it. Now, look at the third helpful way. Check the warranty status on other devices. Suppose you want to check your iPhone's warranty status on your Mac computer, then what you need to do is click the Apple menu at the top left corner and open System Settings. Here, click on AppleCare and Warranty. Then, select your iPhone name and check its warranty status quickly. That's it. Alternatively, you can visit mysupport.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Then select your device and check the information on your AppleCare plan. You can also visit an Apple store to have a staff member check your warranty status. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.